Hi, thank you for watching this video. This video will allow you to understand on how to use the learning management system on lbcconnect.com. All you have to do is to simply go and type lbcconnect.com on your browser, as you can see it on the screen. If you are coming for the first time, then please click on register, which is on the top right corner of the landing page. When you click on register now, you will receive a login page where you can go ahead and you can fill in the details as required by the form. Once you click on the sign up after filling in all the details, you will be receiving all your login credentials on your email. At this stage, you need to go and click on login now, which is again placed on the top right corner. Once you click on login, here you need to punch in your credentials which you have received on your email. Simply go ahead and type your credentials. And once you press the green button which says login, you will be directed back onto the home page of the website. Now at this stage, you have to go and select the products option and go to the last option which says marketing programs. When I click on marketing programs, it will open up a page which has all the courses. Now I can see there are 5 or 4 courses here. I will select the course which is of my choice and the one which I have purchased. So for this demonstration purpose, I'm going to use the program which says build your marketing strategy. The moment I click on see more, it will now open up the course page for my reference. At this stage, I can scroll down and read more about the course, the contents of the course, and what all modules are there. I can click on the option which says expand all, and when I click on that, I can see that all the modules have been expanded and what are the subsets of each of the modules. I will go and I'll click on the module which I would like to go and take a look at this stage. So I have clicked module 1, which is understanding the why. At this stage, it will open up the page of that specific section which you have selected. The left hand side inspector bar will give you access to all the modules with respect to this specific program. And here you can see on the right hand side, there is the video which you can simply go ahead and play the same, or you can also come down and you can upload your assignments. Now where do you find the assignments? In order to find the assignment, you need to go and there is a section which says materials. When you click on the materials section, here you can see your respective assignment. Simply click on the file and it will download it on your specific device or computer. At this stage, you can open up that assignment and you can come down, fill it up, and you can upload your assignment in this given section. Once you upload the assignment, you will be receiving a notification on your email, and once your trainer approves your assignment or the homework of the week, you will be notified about the same. If you have any questions with respect to this specific recording, so let's say if I go back onto the topic and I have certain questions, you can always scroll down and you can put in your comments over here. So you can see there are some existing comments. You can leave your comment here and the trainer will respond back to your comment in that same trail. In the event if you're facing any issues with respect to this specific product, you can also go and there is an option of WhatsApp button. You can click on the same and it will direct you to your WhatsApp window where you can type in the question or the concern which you're facing and our agents will get back to you. Once you're done with going through your recording, you can simply go and you can click on the logout button, and at this stage you will be directed back to the home page. We hope this short video was helpful for you to have a better understanding of the LMS system, which is the learning management system. Thank you so much.